Bike inner tubes right here. We've got our bike inner tubes. I just shot another video to this and I messed up, so this is the second take, but second's for the best. First is the worst, second is the best. So let's go ahead and take the rubber band off of this and let's go ahead and unfold it so you guys can see. This is a 2.0, 3.0. This one in particular is a 2.0, our 20 and 3.0 to 3.5 or 3.0 to 3.5. So we'll go ahead and try to find that on here. So let's see, we've got this like that right there. There it is. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I use this. I really like this product. So now that it's unfolded, what we can do is let's just fold it back up because I don't need to use it. I've already got it in my on my bike itself, and so you just fold it, fold it, fold it. As long as you keep the rubber band. Actually, the second time I'm filming this is actually better because you guys, if you saw my folding job the first time, it was terrible, but this one's actually pretty good. This folding job is good. So what I'm gonna do is just show you my bike. I mean, it's just a bike. It's got an inflated, it's got a tire on it, it's inflated, but hey, I'll show you it anyways. So this is the lovely, I guess this I always get confused. This is the tire, this is the wheel, I guess, right? This is the wheel, this is the tire. Inside of it is obviously the inner tube. Here, I'm not sure if you guys can see, maybe if I don't know. I think, oh, I gotta turn this light on. That's probably what it is. There it is. But here it says 20 by 3.1, which is what ours is. You can see I actually use this thing. You guys can see there's dirt and grime on my tire. I do food deliveries, and I just also love riding my bike around all the time. So this thing works perfectly fine. I completely and totally trust it because I don't know about you guys, but I need to make sure that I'm able to trust my inner tube because I don't know, I hate having a flat tire when I'm riding an e-bike. These things weigh way too much to be hauling around if you get a flat tire. So I just got to make sure that I can trust it. And this one I can trust. Everything is fine. I literally have it in this. I haven't had to change anything ever due to any problems with the actual inner tube itself. It's so that's all I need. I want it to be reliable, especially when I'm out doing my food deliveries. So as you guys can see, it's actually, well, you can see my tire, but it's actually inside of my tire, and everything is looking pretty fine.